So if you have tried supplements, diet, detoxes, doctors, programs, and you're still dealing with chronic fatigue, inflammation, gut issues, hormone imbalance, or weight gain, this video will explain why. Healing is not random. The body heals in three distinct phases, and most people fail because they skip one or more of them. So in today's video, I'm going to go over each and every single phase of healing that you need to embark on and experience in order for you to feel amazing in your body. Not only amazing, but eliminating your symptoms, having clarity, hope, and just have a vessel that works for you every single day. So let's get started. Phase number one is the discovery phase, which is the root cause identification. This happens to be the most vital phase because if you miss this phase, the rest of the healing journey will be miserable. You will be frustrated, you'll be discouraged, you'll be confused, you will not get results. So, discovery phase is where you are identifying why symptoms exist. Most people do not understand symptoms are just ways of your body communicating with you. They are ways of your body telling you something is off at the cellular level, and it is your responsibility to identify why. So symptoms are messages, not diagnosis. So in phase number one, the discovery phase, aka root cause identification phase, we ask, why is your body inflamed? Why is your immune system weak? Why are your hormones dysregulated? Why is your gut reactive? And why your nervous system stuck in survival mode? This includes functional medicine testing, comprehensive intake testing forms. This includes functional medicine testing. This includes comprehensive intake, functional medicine labs. You gotta have functional medicine labs. There's a test that I run in my practice called Toxicity Bundle that tells my patient every single markers and how each markers lead to the symptoms they are experiencing. This is my number one test, and by doing this test, it's not covered by insurance, has been able to allow me to help my patients identify the root causes. So, functional medicine testing is a requirement. You have to, because basic laboratories can come back normal. Your lab normals can come back normal. And but yet you don't feel like normal. So do not depend only on conventional testing. Do both. Conventional, but make sure you work with a doctor that is identifying markers that can give you the results or the answers that you're looking for. And functional medicine testing, symptoms, pattern recognition, lifestyle and stress and trauma review. You need all of that. You need to identify all of that. So, why is this phase so vital? As I mentioned, it is the first step in healing your body because not only you're going to have clear answers, you're going to see exactly what is happening, but without discovery, you are guessing. You are copying protocols from the internet. So and so had this protocol. That person is doing what? You go ahead and purchase a whole bunch of supplements. Doctors are guessing. They're doing trial and error on you, giving you all the medications and knowing they don't know what is wrong with you. And you are treating symptoms, not causes. So, what happened if you skip phase one, discovery phase, aka root cause identification phase? Well, you're buying a lot of supplements. You're trying everything. You're going to go to Dr. Google or AI and put in your symptoms, and then you're going to get zillions of recommendations. You're going to try diets that do not work for your body. You'll feel in temporary relief, but then relapse and plateau. You lose trust in yourself, the medical system, and the process. So, this is why people will tell me, Dr. J, I've tried everything and nothing works. You never identified the root cause. Phase number two, the active healing phase, which is the cellular repair phase. What is this phase? This is where healing happens. The active healing phase is about reducing inflammation, supporting your detox pathways, rebuilding cellular energy, mitochondrial energy, calming your nervous system, reducing stress, reducing your anxiety, repair gut lining, rebalancing your hormones, losing the weight, like you name it. That's when you actually see improvement in your symptoms. This phase requires consistency, structure, enough time for cells to respond, and correct sequencing other matters. And I will add support. Why is this phase vital? Well, cells do not heal overnight. It doesn't happen. Healing requires repetition, adequate dosing according to your body, to the severity of your symptoms and the markers that we identified in phase one, reduce stress load, ongoing guidance. What happens if you skip or rush to this phase? Like I've seen so many people do. People will go on this journey, they'll take a few things and expect miracles. They're looking for instant gratification. You will not achieve that in phase number two. So if you skip this phase or you rush through it, you stop when you feel a little better. Like, I feel good, let me stop. Your symptoms will return stronger or they'll linger. You assume healing didn't work. You hop from programs to programs, protocols to protocols, supplements to supplements, medications for medications, doctors to doctors. Most people quit here in phase number two. Not because healing failed, but because it requires patience and support. Now, let's talk about phase three, which is the maintenance phase, stability and prevention. This is where healing becomes sustainable. Maintenance means your body knows how to self regulate. You understand early warning signs. You don't panic when symptoms appear. You prevent relapse. This phase includes, but not limited to, lifestyle integration, nutritional mastery, stress regulation, periodic resets. That's why in my practice, we detox 4 times per year. We do 72 body reset every 3 months or so, or as needed, because we need periodic reset. Why is this phase vital? Well, without maintenance, old habits can creep back up, stress accumulates, symptoms return. People think they are broken and they need fixing. No, you don't. You are not broken. You do not need fixing. So what happened if you skip this phase? Well, yo-yo healing will happen. Yo-yo dieting. You start here. You are motivated. You're looking for. You have willpower. You start. You stop. You start. You stop. You're not consistent. Burnout, overwhelm, fear of symptoms, dependency on doctors or protocols. So, why most people fail? The hard truth that you need to hear. Most people fail because they don't know healing has 3 phases. I didn't know. I had to discover this on my journey, and now I work my patients through every single phase in my program. People expect instant results. You cannot, because your symptoms have been with you for months, for years. You cannot expect for them to go away. They stop too early. You're not being patient and compassionate to yourself. They don't have accountability support. They don't have a container to hold them through discomfort. Healing is not information, my friend. Healing is process plus guidance plus time plus patience plus regulated body plus support. So this is why I created the 4-month total body restoration program, which is a functional medicine healing container that takes you through all 3 phases in the correct order, with me guiding you every step of the way. Did you hear that? You're not going to be doing this by yourself. So in TBR, total body restoration, 4 month, month number one, we work on phase number one, discovery, and we also decreasing inflammation, managing your nervous system, reducing stress. Month number two, we work on the gut, the detox, the lymphatic system. You start losing weight. Month number three, we work on the gut, the immune system. We're eliminating parasites, pathogens, and a little bit of hormonal work as well. And then month number four, we repeat the laboratory test, the conventional one. And then you and I will sit down and talk about maintenance to see what is the next phase of healing for you, what you need to do next. If you still have some symptoms that are not going away, then I highly recommend you repeat total body restoration again. What makes this different? Because I am aware there are so many programs out there. Everybody's claiming the program is the best. But total body restoration, there's nothing like it. And I'm saying this because every single person that goes to this program sees result. Every single person. Remember, it's not covered by insurance. So people will go in and give me long Google reviews because they can feel a difference in the bodies. But the program is different because of the structured healing phases. We work on a group of symptoms. We assess, we evaluate. I'm monitoring your progress. I'm looking at your improvement before we move to the next group. Weekly support, ongoing accessibility and access to me, monthly challenges. The functional medicine testing is included in the program. We're not guessing because I don't want to guess. You coming to me because you have been through so many doctors and you probably didn't see results. So I don't want to be another doctor that is promising you the world and not delivering. So we do not guess. That's why I include the testing in the program, and then no random supplements, because this is a program that I've run for ages, years now. I know exactly what herbs I should be giving you for your inflammation. Now we customize it depending on the markers that are coming back from your test, right? So we might have to be more aggressive. Some people go slow. So we customize the dosage according to your body. And we're not doing this alone. I don't know about you, healing by yourself can be pretty lonely. A lot of people give up because they feel so lonely. And you don't have to. You can enroll into total body restoration and join like-minded individuals. I'm going to be guiding your care. I'm going to be managing you. And with the monthly challenges that we do, you're going to have momentum, support. Like you're going to be excited. You're going to see changes happening to your body. It's not a boring process. It is a simple process because we all going together. We have the same goals, but it's not boring. Now, if you've done guessing and ready to heal the right way, I invite you to enroll into Total Body Restoration. Do it right now. You're going to see the link in the comment section below, and I can't wait to see you. If you are watching this or listening to this before February 1st, 2026, you will get $1,000 off the investment. And then the minute you enroll, we're going to register you into our functional medicine laboratory portal so we can send you your root cause identification functional medicine test kit. So you can get started, and then we're going to start our first call the second week of February. It is fun. I promise you're going to feel so different. This is for you. Specifically, if you have tried a lot of things, if you don't have time, if you are frustrated, if you are confused, if you want something different, then you're ready to get the support, the guidance, this is for you. So click the link below, and I'll see you inside of the program. Bye.